What's up everybody? How are you doing today? I don't know if you have heard of Ancient Wisdom before. They do a lot of gift products like candles or eco and fashion bags and things like that. But they have recently launched a dropshipping website that is based in the UK, and you can use them to dropship your own product with very fast and reliable shipping times. So I don't know if you guys want to come and look over my shoulder and we'll go through it together. This is their website, and if we go on to delivery, so there's no subscription fees or anything. So we go on to delivery and we can see it's charged very fairly and much cheaper than if you were dropshipping from China. And if we go down here to the bottom, we can see that we're able to get the item to our customer within 7 days. So it could be sooner than that. So it's 1 to 2 days for dispatch of your orders, and then it should be delivered 3 to 5 days after that. So this is such a useful website for anybody dropshipping in the UK. And they do a lot of different products, so we can see all of their departments. So we've got bathroom with the bath bombs and lots of delicious looking products. And then we have candles and candle sets. So there's definitely not as much choice as AliExpress, but there's a few little interesting bits here. So these are their eco and fashion bags. It looks like they're still working on a few things here. And then gemstones. So these, they present everything very nicely, and I'm sure that you're able to use these product images for your own website. These have become very popular. I have seen these trending recently with the jade stone. Yeah, this is just a great little website. I mean, you can't use it for everything, and you definitely can't see what is going to sell well using this website. But there are some interesting pieces here. But what I would always do is then bring this back to a sales source just to make sure that the products that we're setting up a shop for are going to sell, so that we can analyze the products. So for example, there are a lot of soy candles in Ancient Wisdom, so we can check how soy candles are doing in the world of dropshipping. There have been quite a few orders of this specific soy candle, and you can buy it for as little as $1, although the average price is about $7. See how many orders are being made, and when we're ready we can go ahead and analyze this product further. So that was just a super quick overview of Ancient Wisdom. I just thought that I would put it out there and let you guys have a gander for yourself. It could be interesting if this is your niche or if it relates to you or your customers at all. And I will let you know if I find any other websites like this for any other niches. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. If you found this helpful, do let me know in the comments below and hit like and all of that. And I will hopefully see you here next time.